Translate a single word into Spanish and earn $13. Translate another sentence and you could make $50. The best part? You can do this as many times as you want, racking up to $225 a day, all with Google Translate. The first step is simple. Go to Google Translate, a 100% free tool from Google that we'll be using today to make money online. It works effortlessly. Just select your source language, choose the language you want to translate into, and as soon as you type, the translation appears instantly. For instance, if you translate a word from English to Chinese, Google Translate does all the work for you automatically. That's how easy it is. Now let me show you exactly how to use this tool to earn $225 a day just by translating words. So before we jump into step 1, like this video right now and comment where you are watching from so I can make more and more videos for your country. Now that you understand how we'll be using Google Translate, the next step is to create an account on CPA Grip, one of the best CPA networks available. This platform allows you to earn money by promoting different offers, and it's completely free to join. To get started, go to cpagrip.com and click on the Register button. You'll need to fill in some basic details, including your name, email address, and password. Keep in mind that CPA Grip requires a Skype ID for verification, but don't worry, you can create one for free on Skype's official website if you don't already have one. Before completing the registration, make sure to check the 2 agreement boxes. The first confirms that you won't complete the offers yourself, and the second states that you won't use any proxies, VPNs, or automated software to generate leads. Once you've filled in everything, submit your registration and log into your dashboard. Inside CPA Grip, you'll see a live feed showing people from all over the world making money on the platform. This proves that it works worldwide, meaning you can do this no matter where you are. But to maximize our earnings, we won't just settle for any offer. In the next step, I'll show you how to find the highest paying offers so you can earn as much as possible. Now that your CPA Grip account is set up, it's time to find the most profitable offers. Not all CPA offers pay the same, so choosing the right ones will make a huge difference in how much you can earn. On your CPA Grip dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Offer Tools. Click on My Offers. By default, CPA Grip will show offers available for your country. For example, if you're in the United States, you might see offers that pay anywhere from $1 to $2 per lead. While that's decent, we can do much better. To find the highest paying offers, we need to focus on countries that have better payouts. Click on the country filter and select Spain. Immediately, you'll see offers paying as much as $17.11 per lead, which is significantly higher than what we saw for the US. This happens because fewer people promote offers in these regions, so companies are willing to pay more to attract users. We can repeat this process for other high-paying countries like Poland, Australia, Switzerland, and Brazil. Each country has different payout rates, so it's a good idea to compare them and find the best opportunities. However, for this method, we will focus on Spain. In the next step, I'll show you how to get your unique affiliate link for these offers and optimize it for maximum earnings. Now that we've found high-paying CPA offers in Spain, the next step is to get our unique affiliate link. This is the link we will promote, and every time someone signs up through it, we get paid. Go back to CPA Grip, make sure the country is set to Spain, and sort the offers by payout. This will ensure you see the highest paying ones at the top. Choose an offer that has a good payout and is available across multiple devices, such as desktop, iOS, and Android. The broader the device compatibility, the more people can access it, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Once you select an offer, click on it to open the details. Since the offer is in Spanish, we need to understand exactly what it says before promoting it. Copy the headline of the offer and paste it into Google Translate to convert it into English. Obtenga el contenido más reciente, which translates to get the latest content. Understanding the offer helps us craft better promotions. Before copying your affiliate link, there's one critical step: changing the tracking domain. CPA Grip provides multiple tracking domains, but some of them get banned easily. Click on the tracking domain dropdown and select a new, fresh domain to reduce the risk of your link getting blocked. Once you've done that, click the Copy Link button to grab your affiliate link. However, we're not going to promote this raw link just yet. Instead, we'll take it a step further. Go to sites.google.com and log into your Google account. Once you're inside, click on the blank template to start a new site. The first thing we need to do is remove the default header. Click on it and delete it to keep the page clean and simple. Next, click on the text box option from the right-hand menu. Here, paste the headline of the CPA offer. If the offer is in Spanish, use Google Translate to convert it into English first. Then format the text to make it stand out, increase the font size, bold the text, and change the color so it looks more appealing. appealing. Now, we need an image to make the page visually attractive. Go back to CPA Grip, find the offer's main image, right-click on it, and select Open in a new tab. Once it opens, right-click again and choose Save Image As to download it to your device. Return to Google Sites, click on Images, then Upload, and select the image you just downloaded. Resize and center it so that it looks professional on the page. The next step is to add a call to action button. Go to Google Translate and type something like "Get." Copy the Spanish translation and return to Google Sites. On the right-hand menu, scroll down and click on Button. Paste the translated text into the button name field. For the button link, paste it into the link field. Click Insert to add the button to your page. Adjust its position so it's right above the image, making it easy for visitors to see and click. To maximize clicks, we'll duplicate the button and place another one below the image. This way, whether someone sees it at the top or bottom, they're encouraged to click. Once everything is set up, click on Publish in the top right corner. Choose a unique site name, then hit Publish again. Your landing page is now live. Click the link icon at the top to copy your Google site URL. This is the link we will promote, instead of the raw, shortened URL. In the next step, I'll show you how to drive thousands of visitors to your page using Pearl Trees, a traffic source that gets over 1.3 million visitors every month. Now that we have a professional-looking landing page, the final step is to drive traffic to it. The more visitors we get, the more money we make. To do this, we will use Pearl Trees, a social sharing platform that functions similarly to Twitter or Threads, but with less competition and a high percentage of Spanish-speaking users. This makes it the perfect place to promote our offer. Go to pearltrees.com and sign up for a free account. The process is simple. Just enter your email, create a password, and confirm your registration. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, where you can start adding content. To share your landing page, click on the plus icon and select Web Page. A box will appear where you can paste the link to your Google site. Once you do that, click Add. Your landing page will now be posted on Pearl Trees, making it visible to thousands of users who browse the site daily. To increase visibility, add a compelling title and description to your post. Use something attention-grabbing like "Get the latest content," "Limited time offer." For the description, briefly explain the offer and encourage users to check it out. You can use Google Translate to write this in Spanish so that it appeals to the majority of users on the platform. The key to success on Pearl Trees is consistency. The more times you post your link in different categories and discussions, the more exposure you get. Over time, this method will generate a steady stream of visitors clicking on your link, leading to CPA commissions. And that's it. By following these steps, you can turn a simple Google Translate trick into a $225 per day income stream without spending any money. Now, let's wrap everything up and go over the final steps. At this point, you now have everything set up: your CPA Grip account, your high-paying affiliate offer, a shortened link that earns money per click, a professional-looking Google site, and a traffic source that brings in visitors daily. Now let's talk about how to maximize your earnings and scale this method even further. The key to increasing your income is consistency and volume. Instead of promoting just one offer, go back to CPA Grip and find multiple high-paying offers in different categories. You can create multiple Google sites, each targeting a different type of offer, and post them across various sections of Pearl Trees and other social platforms. The more links you have out there, the more clicks and conversions you'll get. Another great way to drive even more traffic is by leveraging Facebook groups, Reddit, and Quora. Find Spanish-speaking communities related to giveaways, free rewards, or gift cards, and subtly share your Google site link. Make sure to provide value in your posts rather than just spamming your link so it doesn't get removed. Over time, as your posts gain traction, you'll see steady daily earnings stacking up. Some people using this exact method have been able to turn this into a full-time passive income stream, earning hundreds of dollars per day. If you want to see more strategies like this, comment your country down below so I can make more and more videos on how to make money in your country. Don't forget to like and subscribe.